Welcome to the Urwan Project Training Kits for Nature-Based Solutions. This is Training Kit 3, Communicating to Foster Social Acceptance of Nature-Based Solutions. Even the most advanced policies and the best designed projects depend on one essential factor: public understanding and support. Without it, nature-based solutions can be misunderstood, resisted, or under-maintained. This training kit helps communication professionals, educators, NGOs, and local practitioners build trust and engagement around NbS. Public support determines whether NbS succeed in the long run. When residents understand that green roofs help reduce heat and wetlands help prevent flooding, they're more likely to value these projects, use them responsibly, and support their continued presence in the community. This kind of public appreciation strengthens long-term success and helps ensure that NbS are respected, cared for, and integrated into everyday urban life. Involving residents from the start through school programs, co-design workshops, or community planting days transforms them from spectators into partners, ensuring that projects work better and are cared for over time. The presentation stresses that effective communication means translating technical terms into everyday language. Rather than speaking of hydrological retention or biodiversity indicators, communicators can say, "This garden soaks up rainwater to prevent your street from flooding," or "Trees keep playgrounds cooler in the summer." Framing NbS in terms of comfort, safety, and quality of life make them relevant to citizens, while linking them to jobs, health, and education expands public value. The training kit emphasizes storytelling as a key method of connecting people with nature-based innovation. Stories about cooler schools, safer streets, or greener neighborhoods make NbS visible and relatable. In this presentation, projects like Cool Schools in Barcelona demonstrates how communication can turn urban adaptation into local pride. By linking climate resilience to everyday experience, storytelling helps shift NbS from technical solutions to shared community assets. Effective communication recognizes that different audiences think and respond in different ways. Policymakers are persuaded by evidence, cost effectiveness, and measurable results. Businesses engage when messages highlight economic opportunity, reputation, and innovation. Citizens connect through stories that speak to health, safety, comfort, and a sense of belonging. This training kit introduces practical tools for audience mapping and message design, helping communicators choose the right tone, channel, and emotional register for each group, ensuring every message resonates where it matters the most. Data. Data becomes more persuasive when it's made visible and relatable. Maps, infographics, and before and after visuals help audiences see real change, transforming numbers into stories. For example, showing that green roofs lowered indoor temperatures by 4 degrees, or that a wetland reduced runoff pollution by 90%, makes the impact easier to grasp. In this way, monitoring data becomes a communication tool, a way to demonstrate results, build trust, and inspire further investments into NbS. Communication. Communication is not a one-way process. Participatory design and co-creation build both ownership and legitimacy for nature-based solutions. Workshops, school programs, citizen science projects, and community events allow residents to contribute ideas, share knowledge, and understand how NbS function in their own neighborhoods. By involving stakeholders as active partners in design and decision-making, projects gain greater social and cultural resilience, ensuring that NbS are not only technically effective, but also valued and supported by the communities in which they serve. To address misconceptions. Misunderstandings such as NbS are too costly or they attract pests can stall progress. The training kit offers evidence-based counterpoints, showing that over time, NbS are cost-effective, improve public health, and enhance property value. Transparent communication will build trust and reduce resistance to NbS planning. By completing this training, you will be able to design effective communication strategies for NbS, translate technical benefits into everyday messages, use data and visuals to support storytelling, engage citizens and stakeholders through co-creation, and address misconceptions with clarity and evidence. Social acceptance is not an afterthought in NbS planning. It is the foundation of sustainable urban transformation. Effective communication turns NbS from technical interventions into shared living systems in which communities understand, support, and sustain.